Good day, sir. So I'm gonna be presenting our design of this bandana. So this is the progress of our design, and we just added other features. This one, it's a nilagyan ko namin siya ng scroll. Then, mag-add din kami pag mag-search ko, maglalabas yung history. Then, yung mga suggestions, hindi pa po namin nalagay kasi we're just saving or downloading the features that we will put here. And next is we added a voucher for this is the coupons of the user, and ito po yung mga nalagdag. Then next, so ito na yung process aming ng aming design. So login, phone, and nag-work na rin po itong mga buttons dito. And while dito po sa category, we're still working this out po. Still, the camera is working. And this one. So, naman po dito, bababa. Mall, notification, profile, this one, final one, and then the logout, login, sign out, sign out. So, yan po yung nagawa sa or in progress po ng website. Then, on other side po, the phone, it's still working po. Front, phone, then dito po sa may ito po yung mas play na siya. And this is the diba last time, hindi po kami nagpa-check or hindi pa po tapos yung phone. Yung website lang po yung namin which is now po is we have our phone. And this is the flow of our phone. That one. Go. My chats na po siya. And then, that. Mall. Of course. Then dito po, nagpa-play yung video dito na ilalagay ko namin. And this one. Hindi pa po namin nalagyan ng dalawang video kasi we're just processing it out. And next is the notifications. So, yung status ng tickets pa. Then, pag ipipindutin po dito sa Go Shopping Now, babalik po siya dito sa mail. And, ito po is sa item namin. Then, lastly is the profile po. So, this is the process or progress of our work first. And our reference is Shopee. As you can see the logo, it's Shopee, but we named it Shopmo. We have so many features pa po na ilalagay. And this is only 70% of our work po. And it's nearly done. So thank you for listening to my process and progress of my work or our work of Miss Andaya. Thank you, sir.